now or never. We rise before the sun. The moment they realize it, we'll be gone. They put us in the distance and fed us with their lies. Let's broadcast till they turn our blood to ice. We're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. They never have a chance to take us down. They try to turn our voice into a whisper. We're racing against time tonight. We can't hold their armies, we summon their allies to squeeze us and to cure